Types of farming. On the basis of geographical conditions, demand of the products, labor, and level of technology, farming can be classified into the following main types. Number 1, subsistence farming. Number 2, commercial farming. Let us understand subsistence farming. As the name suggests, this farming is essential to meet the needs of the farmer himself. Whatever little extra that is left over is sold by him. This type of farming involves household labor with low-level technology and is done on a small patch of land. Generally, farmers who practice this type of farming are poor and have low standards of living. This further classified into two forms: shifting cultivation and nomadic herding. Shifting cultivation, also known as slash and burn agriculture. In different parts of the world, it is known by different names. Example, Northeast India, jhum cultivation. In Mexico, it is known as milpa. In Malaysia, it is known as ladang. In Brazil, it is known as roca. In Venezuela, it is known as konuk. Shifting cultivation is practiced in thickly forested areas. The land is cleared by cutting and burning bushes and trees. The farming methods are primitive. Crops like yam, cassava, maize, and potatoes are mostly grown here. Next is nomadic herding. Nomads are tribes who move from place to place in search of means of subsistence. People who move in search of pastures for their domesticated animals are known as nomadic herders. Their seasonal movement with livestock uphill during summer and downhill during winter in search of pastures is called transhumance. Nomadic herding is mainly practiced in the arid and semi-arid regions of Sahara in Africa, Central Asia, and in some parts of India like Rajasthan and Jammu and Kashmir. The animals reared are sheep, goats, camels, and yaks. These animals provide food such as milk and meat. They also provide wool and hides, which are used to make clothes and shelter. The nomadic herders do not have permanent houses. They mostly live in tents. Sedentary farming. When a farm is based in the same location all the time, then it is called sedentary farming. In early times, people used to move from one place to another as food gatherer, hunter, herder, or shifting cultivator. When the farmer learnt to maintain soil fertility, he settled down at one place. Then he adopted techniques like crop rotation to conserve soil fertility. He also developed simple tools for cultivation and started rearing cattle. In his free time, he developed some cottage industries based on local raw material. These activities added his income as a settled farmer. Intensive farming. In intensive farming, the farmer tries to get the maximum possible output from a small plot of land. The farmer uses simple tools and human labor. This type of farming is mostly done in the densely populated countries. Farmers use improved varieties of seeds, farm manure, and chemical fertilizers for soil fertility. Rice is the most important crop grown. Other crops cultivated are wheat, maize, sugarcane, pulses, and oil seeds.